Hey guys, Connor Brown at Heritage Ford again today, this week with another video. Kind of a crappy day out today, but I'm not going to let that stop me to deliver this quality video of this vehicle right here for you guys. Today we have a 2015 Dodge Challenger SXT with a 3.6 V6 in it. Guys, this is a pretty sharp performance car. Granted, it being a V6, it still has plenty of pep, but I just want to give you a quick walk around on the vehicle and then hop in and go over a couple of the features and then display a few of the features and then show you guys how this thing drives. So, guys, we're going to hop in here. Okay, put the keys right here. So we have a push button start, so the keys just have to be inside the vicinity of the vehicle. They can be in your pocket, cup holder, purse, whatever. But as long as they're inside the vehicle, foot on the brake and press the button, it'll start right up. Just buckle up. And then you also have your power locks, power windows, power mirrors, your cruise control, your hands-free display, your voice recognition here to answer the phone and then to hang up the phone. Automatic lights over here, and your dash up here, which is a really nice looking dash with your tachometers and everything like that. And then you also have where you can hook your phone up to it, your different medias. You have a compass over here, and then your climate control, and then a few more options over here, and then some more climate down here. And then that's sport mode, so you have sport mode on. We'll throw that on for the sake of the video. So, alright guys, we're going to take this thing for a spin. So down in the drive we go. Move the seat up a little bit, and oh, guys, in this thing, city-wise, you should be looking around 19 miles to the gallon, and highway up to 30 miles to the gallon on an 18.5 gallon tank. Of course, that's gonna differentiate between person to person, just really depending on how you drive it. You know, you utilize the cruise control, could probably bump your fuel economy up a couple miles a gallon here and there, but it definitely will utilize that. So, and as far as performance on this thing, like I said, it does have the 3.6 V6, but guys, with the 3.6 V6, you're going to get around 305 horsepower and around 270 feet-pound of torque, so still quite a bit in this V6 engine, along with the capability of getting 30 miles to the gallon. That's a good in-betweener there of a performance and economically friendly vehicle. It's a really nice ride too. I mean, it's especially when you're looking at the muscle car aspect of things. Really, the Challenger, in my opinion, you know, looking at them anymore, they're the only, you know, muscle car that really looks like a muscle car anymore. All these other cars are going to aerodynamics and everything like that, but you look at the bulk of the Challenger and then you get inside of it and drive it and you feel American muscle inside of here. But it's a nice ride. Looks like a muscle car, feels like a muscle car. So if you are looking for a muscle car, this is absolutely it. And then just cruising, I mean, honestly, it feels really, really nice. You don't have the overbearing power of the V8 engine in here, but the V6 still has quite a bit, so I don't think you'll have any problems merging onto the interstate or anything like that. It's a really, really nice ride. Seats hug you nice, steering feels great, and there's a good amount of power underneath the pedal, you know, feels good. But we are gonna, on this straight stretch out over here, kind of see how the performance aspect, see what this baby will do under a little bit of pressure. So pretty good acceleration there, got up to about 75 in, you know, less than 5 seconds, I would say. But you know, that's really good acceleration. Wow, kind of impresses me, that is. And this is the 3.6 V6, guys. But yeah, guys, if you're looking for the fuel economy and you're still looking for the the performance and the look of the muscle car, I would absolutely go drive a Challenger with the 3.6 V6 in it, just due to the fact that I don't think you're missing out on you're not missing out at all. Or I mean, you are missing out if you don't drive it, because in comparison to the Hemi, you know, I think this thing has quite a bit of power, and you're going to get a lot better fuel economy. Not trying to knock the Hemi at all, but this is a strong motor. I'll hop out here and give you one more quick walk around. Alrighty. Guys, and like I said, my name is Connor Brown at Heritage Ford, and this is the 15 Dodge Challenger SXT with a 3.6 V6. This is just one of the very quality cars that we do have on our lot, and I would love to sit down with any of you guys and figure out the exact car that is best for you. And like I said, my name is Connor Brown at Heritage Ford. Don't take my word for it. Come take a test drive yourself.